This problem is for white to kill black, and black's ice base seems pretty big, and white's objective is to reduce it. So this one stone will be captured in a race to capture on the corner. So this won't be good for white, right? Because the ice base is still big. And although white can play this and make a bulky 5 shape, for the purpose of this problem, this stone on the outside still counts. So black can escape this way. So what can white do to avoid allowing this black stone on the outside to have any effect? And that is to play this bend on the first line. Right? This is a very effective move against these 3 black stones, because now these 3 black stones are really short on liberties. Black does not have this move. Right? If black plays here, then white can capture these 3 stones like this. And this is not acceptable for black. So the best black can do is either this or this, and neither will give black enough ice space. Right? Black just cannot make 2 real eyes this way. This will be similar, right? White just needs to crawl on the first line to reduce ice space. Now these 4 stones are in danger of being captured, and white can just play some routine moves, and black cannot make 2 eyes. Overall, the takeaway for this problem is this bend here on the first line. It is a very effective move against these 3 stones when there's a cutting point, and you can use it in life and death problems as well as endgame problems. It's a very good move to use, and you should consider it in similar patterns. Thank you for watching.